Hello, good morning dear children. Open your EVS textbooks. Before our previous classes, we have studied about some different topics, namely such plants around us, animals around us, food of animals, delicious food, why we need food, water. All these are our basic needs. Basic all needs comes together is called the environment. Okay. So now in a last lesson also we have seen about some good habits, safety and discipline, how we have to behave at a bank or in a school. You should always make one queue and then take complete your work. Okay. So today we have to start a new lesson, the name of transportation. Transportation means what comes in that lesson? Yes, vehicles. First mainly is a vehicles. Vehicles comes in that all. So many different types of vehicles. You are now child, so you have also some small vehicles in your house. Which are the sums? Maybe some bicycle you have, car, small car, auto rickshaw, jeep, all these types of vehicles. You are playing with that. But in a real life, there are transportation means we can travel from one place to another place. Yes, is it correct? We can travel from one place to another place. This is called a transportation. So, on page number 55, open textbook page number 55, lesson number 9, and take one pencil in your hand, children, and name this vehicle given in the following picture. Means you have to write the names of that vehicle. Which are they? First one, which is children's? This is a bicycle. I am written here. This is a bicycle. First one is a bicycle and right mark. You are seeing that vehicle? Yes, make it right mark. Second one is bullet cart. Second video is a bullet cart. Third video is a truck. Which one is truck? Write the spellings correctly and write the name behind in front of that and make it tick mark in a box column. Fourth one is scooter. Fifth one is boat. Next one auto rickshaw, bus and train. All these are the vehicles. Okay, write the correct spelling before front of that and make it right mark. Put right mark to the vehicle you see in your locality. Name the vehicle in which you have traveled. Now children's summer holidays, vacations. You are going to some different places, different villages, different cities. So by which vehicle you are going, children's? By using bus or a car. Next one, train, somehow aeroplanes. All these vehicles you are using to travel. So have you seen or have you gone to the different vehicles? If yes, write the names of these vehicles in your book. Okay. What is the main use of vehicle, children? We can travel from one place to another place by using the vehicle. If there is a long distance, we are travel by train or travel by bus. And if can travel by train or bus. Okay. So, and if near where you want to go, then we are using a auto rickshaw to travel. Turn on next page 56, page number. Look at this picture. Which is your favorite vehicle and why? So there are 6 pictures they are shown. Which vehicle is your favorite vehicle? You have to write the name of that vehicle. First one is bicycle. Second one they are given horse cart. That is we called as a tanga also. Next one is bus, train, scooter and car. Which is your favorite, children? Okay, there are the different choices of you. Someone like bus, someone like tanga, someone like train. Okay, so these are your choices. You have to select anyone and tell the reason of why. Why do you like a bicycle? Why do you like a train? Makes a juk 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 sound with different sounds of different vehicles. So firstly, in another way, transportation means what? Transportation is the basic name. What is the meaning of transportation? We can move luggage. Means in trains are also take some luggages to one train and send to the another places, another villages, another big cities. Truck, lorry, truck also carries some luggage. So play the game. Here they are given one game to you. Move around making sound like these vehicles. Train, how it makes sound? Kuch, 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 kuch. These are the train sound. Bicycle, tring, tring. Ring, cycle goes ring to the tring, tring, tring. These are the scooter. Scooter gives sound. Horn. Scooter gives horn. And bus, bomb, bomb. These are the sounds. So what we have to do, children? You, if you are now in home, so make one sound you and tell to your brother or sister, maybe your friends will be there. Guess which sound you are doing and tell to him or her to make a sound and you guess which vehicle is that. Next one, prepare a paper boat and allow it to float on water. Here one activity to you on page 57. They are given paper boat, how to make. Know to your parents should know how to make a boat and try to make the boat. They are given here. Take one book paper, fold it to double side, fold it again on a single side, make it cross, and this type of boat will be ready. And then take that boat and float on some water. Take in a tub of water and float that one to another. Next one on page number 58 and 59. Okay, on page number 58 there is a color this picture. Which vehicle is this, children? This is a bus. And on page number 59 this is a aeroplane. What you have to do? You have to color these vehicles. This is your homework, children. Take this is homework. Bus and aeroplane, color this both. Okay. Next number on page 60. Where do these vehicles move? Match by drawing lines. Okay. Transportation. In that transportation there are different way. Three main land transport, air transport and water transport. These are the three ways to transfer. Okay, first one, air transport means what? Which are the examples came in that lesson, in that part? Air transport in that, any helicopter, aeroplane, rocket, all these are comes in a air transport. Means it will travel on a air only, not on road. Or have you seen if aeroplane is landing on road, it's traveling on road? No, it's never. It's only travels in the air. Next one, bus. Bus can travel on water, children, isn't it? No. So bus, always bus, car, jeep, truck, all these are the vehicles travels on a road only. Next one, which are the water vehicles then? Land. Which are the water vehicles? Boat, ship, all these are the water vehicles. So take pencil and match the lines, draw the correct line. Where aeroplane will move, aeroplane you have to match to the sky, air. Okay. Bus on road, boat on water, and train is on train track. Have you seen train ever run on a road? No, it always runs on a train track. It's called a track. Have you matched this? Match, children? Okay. Last one, here is one jingle rhyme, is small poem is here. The horn of the bus goes bip, bip, bip. The bell of the cycle goes tring, tring, tring. The sound of the auto goes pom, pom, pom. The engine of the train says puff, puff, puff. The wings of the plant fly swish, swish, swish. The bells of the car sing jingle, jingle, jingle. The roar of the boat goes splash, splash, splash. The wheels of the scooter goes zoom, zoom, zoom. This is a sound of the different vehicles. They are given a bus sound, cycle, auto rickshaw, train. Next one, aeroplane, bullock carts, boat, boat and scooter. All these are the sound of a different vehicle. So make this, you also try to sing this rhyme in your homes only, okay? And write the different vehicles name. You know very well, you are learned from KG classes also. Different cars, scooter, bus, motor, jeep, truck, lorry, all these are the vehicles. What is your homework, children? Today's homework is color these pictures on page number 58 and 59 and write these answers in your page number 55. Okay, in that way today we have completed the transportation lesson. Try to understand this lesson in your home also. We will continue in our next class. Thank you.